So this 1996 Cadillac Eldorado had a problem with starting and stopping. The relays were clicking. This relay here is the fuel pump, that's the AC compressor, but when he was moving it, it was clicking because he was moving this wire hitting this power cable. These power cables down here, they go loose right here. This is the main power source from the battery for these relays and fuses. So you have to just snug this bolt up. This is the main power cable to these conductor plates. This is why these cars start and die, or sometimes they don't start and they click. That's the power cable coming to it. So all I did was take it off, clean it, reconnect it. That's the problem with a lot of these North Stars clicking and not starting. Any questions, just message me and I'll get back to you. Thank you.